Welcome to Iraqi Dinar News, your reliable source for in-depth updates on Iraq's financial future, currency movements, and emerging investment trends. In today's feature, we explore the growing momentum behind Iraq's stock market and the role of Wise Investment Holding Group in connecting investors to opportunities within this frontier economy. With many asking how to get involved, we'll unpack how Wise Group operates and what this means for individuals looking to contribute to Iraq's rebuilding phase through smart investments. An increasing number of individuals are looking for ways to align their financial strategies with Iraq's economic recovery, and one pathway gaining attention is the Iraq Stock Exchange. Much of this interest is being directed through Wise Investment Holding Group, an organization noted for its operational clarity and solid performance history within Iraq's finance space. Since its formation in March 2019, Wise Group began as a private, invitation-only consortium. It has since expanded, opening its doors to the public while keeping a focus on managed group investments. Rather than leaving members to select stocks themselves, the firm's analysts manage pooled funds and make purchasing decisions based on current ISX data. Similar in philosophy to collective investment models used by well-known firms like those under Warren Buffett's umbrella. Transparency is a key part of Wise Group's operations. Participants can track exactly where funds are going, which companies make up the investment block, and how capital is being allocated. This kind of visibility builds confidence, especially in markets where consistent information isn't always guaranteed. Their most recent activity shows a clear emphasis on the banking industry, aligning with broader beliefs that Iraq's financial institutions will serve as anchors for the country's modernization. Additional capital is being directed toward telecoms, soft drink production, and infrastructure enterprises, each seen as vital in Iraq's long-term rebuilding process. That said, while joining a managed investment group provides convenience and collective strength, it is not a substitute for personal responsibility. Anyone considering participation should first contact Wise Group directly to request enrollment information. According to publicly available documentation, Wise Group currently holds an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and has not received any formal complaints, an encouraging sign for those new to this type of investment. Within the dinar holding community, there's ongoing speculation about the future of Iraq's currency. A commonly shared belief is that the current denomination system will be retained, keeping the 3 zeros intact, before any upward exchange rate revisions take place. If this scenario unfolds, current dinar holders could potentially benefit in a significant way. While the Central Bank of Iraq has floated the idea of removing zeros in the past, no policy shift has been enacted. It remains essential for investors to stay watchful. If any formal changes are announced, Iraqi Dinar News will be among the first to offer reliable guidance on how to respond. Another area catching investor interest is undeveloped land. Numerous conversations within the Wise Group community have highlighted a strategic focus on land acquisition across Iraq. The prevailing belief is that vacant plots, especially in zones earmarked for future growth, are less vulnerable to depreciation compared to constructed real estate. As stability returns, land for agriculture and urban expansion is expected to become a valuable asset class in Iraq's broader development narrative. Additionally, digital assets have entered the discussion as alternative strategies for portfolio diversification. Some members favor cryptocurrencies like XRP, XLM, and Ethereum, citing recent strong market performance. Others are more conservative, preferring time-tested stores of value such as physical gold and silver. This contrast in opinion reflects the broader truth of investing. No one-size-fits-all approach exists. Diversification remains essential. A question that regularly surfaces is whether Wise Group gives personalized investment guidance. The answer is no. Wise Group does not function as a financial advisor. Instead, it manages pooled investments, executes trades on behalf of its members, and ensures visibility over how funds are being directed. This structure is ideal for those who may lack the technical knowledge or time to engage with the Iraq Stock Exchange independently but still want exposure to its growth. Concerns have also arisen around what would happen to physical dinars if Iraq decided to redenominate its currency. At present, there's no active exchange mechanism for trading current notes for a newly issued currency. If Iraq's central bank initiates a redenomination or revaluation, they will publish the official procedure, including timelines and authorized conversion channels. Until that point, it's recommended that holders store their dinars securely and avoid dealing with unofficial brokers or speculative intermediaries. For those who want to contribute to Iraq's recovery through the ISX, Wise Group offers one possible entry point. Still, this does not eliminate the need for due diligence. Always research carefully, monitor local developments, and consult with a certified financial advisor before making substantial investment decisions. As more people engage in conversations about Iraq's economy, it's crucial to distinguish speculation from fact. For example, former President Trump once made remarks that reignited discussions among dinar holders about Iraq's supposed $35 billion, 0 cents, in oil assets. However, these statements were tied to energy agreements and U.S.-Iraq financial negotiations, not an explicit endorsement of currency revaluation. Misinterpretations like these can fuel unrealistic expectations, so always consider the broader economic context. In conclusion, Iraq continues to push forward on the path to economic revitalization. Its stock market is slowly gaining recognition, and those who are prepared to navigate its complexity may find significant long-term potential. Whether you choose to explore opportunities through Wise Group or other avenues, the guiding principle should always be informed action over emotional decisions. Stay tuned to Iraqi Dinar News for verified updates on monetary policy, financial opportunities, and strategic developments shaping Iraq's investment future.